It's Tech Lid with the latest news and rumors. Something about photo restoration is indeed interesting. Think about it, taking old school classic pictures and then reimagining them in ways that you thought were possible, but your eyes couldn't see. What exactly is it that I'm talking about? Well, stick around and check out the Vivo X50 and the photo restoration feature on the smartphone. Before we continue with this video, make sure you do a few things. Hit the subscribe button and of course click the bell. Make sure you like the video, and for any topic of conversation, make sure that you please chime in the comment section. Recently known leakster Ice Universe had something interesting to tweet. He had something about the Vivo X50. This was something along the lines of photo repair or photo restoration. It is a feature that is in the Vivo X50. Now, for those of you that don't know much about this, basically you take an older picture that may not be in the best of condition, and this kind of software, I guess, kind of smooths it out or kind of makes it so that it is actually viewable if it is distorted in any way. Now, this is something that is not new. There is actually apps for this available on Apple iOS and available for Android in the Play Store. But one of the things that I feel is more important is to have this software just come in your phone. If it comes in your smartphone by default, I think that this is even better. I think that with how technology is these days, this is a feature that, quite frankly, we should have had years ago. Think about it. You have photos, probably physical photos, just laying around that you really don't open. You don't see them. You take them out and hold them every now and then. But what if you could transfer these photos and have that memory right on your smartphone? I think this is a goal for people that want to reminisce and have nostalgic feelings. Now let's go back to that tweet and we're going to show you a few photos. One of these photos is the original version of a Michael Jackson photo. This photo actually doesn't look too bad. When it is repaired, the photo looks a bit better, as you can see that it is much more smooth. But for my like and personal preference, I actually like the older photo that is the original photo. Now for the second photo of the young boy. The first photo, as you can see, is quite old. Now with the repaired version, you could see the details on the young boy's face. It is something that is worth clearing up. I'm pretty sure that it is a feature that many of you would like to have done with some of your photos. Now, for those of you that are not too familiar with the Vivo X50, let me tell you a little bit about this smartphone. We're looking at a smartphone that is 6.5 inches. We're looking at a smartphone that has a 90 Hz refresh rate. About that refresh rate, 90 Hz, you already know, buttery smooth. Another thing that the Vivo X50 has is this title. The Vivo X50 is the world's thinnest 5G phone. Another thing that the Vivo X50 has going for itself is its triple camera system. This triple camera system is equipped with 48 megapixel. Now, for those of you wondering about the front camera, for your gorgeous selfies, a 32 megapixel shooter. 8 gigabytes of RAM. The Vivo X50 is also equipped with a Snapdragon 765. It is a mid-range 5G chipset. It doesn't get any better than this. To go along with 90 Hz refresh rate, the Vivo X50 did a good job. Now, I want to see how many of you like this feature of photo restoration, and if anyone is in the market for a smartphone, how does the Vivo X50 sound? Just to conclude here, I feel that the photo repair or photo restoration is something that has to follow for the big boys. By the big boys, I'm talking about your Apples of the world, Samsung, Google, and enter another big boy now, OnePlus. This is a feature that will actually come in handy. Many of you may not see it that way, but I'm sure that many of you do. Once again, subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to the video. Comments, thoughts, opinions down below in that comment section. Peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.